Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Mostbet app in Nepal. This is very easy, but now you have to head directly into the App Store. And once you're in the App Store, you're going to click on the search bar. And here you're simply going to enter Mostbet. Now, as you can see, the Mostbet app is not available here. You're simply going to head back, and here you're going to click on your profile icon at the top right. Now you're going to click on your iCloud icon, and next you're going to click on the country or region section. Now you are going to simply click on this only option of change country, and now you are going to scroll all the way down to the country known as India. Now you are simply going to click on accept it at the top right, or the top left, at the top right, and here you are going to first come and click on none. Now you are going to scroll, and here you are going to enter the streets. So now you are going to enter on the street section 100 FT Road. Now you are going to skip the two next options and come and click on city and town, where you are going to enter Jitoni. Next you are going to click on Haryana. Next you are going to click on the state, and you are going to simply select Haryana. Next you are going to click on OK, and on the postcode you are simply going to enter 110030. And here on the phone number section you are simply going to enter 98 18 84 92 76. Now you are going to click on OK, and you are going to click on next at the top right. Then your app store will be actualized, and you are simply going to click on the search icon, and here you are going to enter Mostbet. Now you are going to scroll a little bit, and we are going to find out the Mostbet application, or which you are going to download, and it's as simple as that.